Okay. Good morning and welcome back to my channel Venkata Circuit Vibes. Okay, to in this video we'll see how to interface LED, buzzer, then photoresistor, then PR, um, photoresistive and PIR sensor and motor. Okay, this all I've shown in this display have not connected. First we will see this, okay, because these are mostly used in many applications. Suppose I want to switch on the street lights, or if a person is entering into the house, we want to open the door, or we can use this five components. So in one I have shown all these interfaces. So first LED I connected to so code also I will keep here side. So see first pin number 8 and 9. So these 8 and 9, these two are output ports. So I have made pin mode 8 and 9 as output because I have connected the buzzer, piezo buzzer and LED. Okay, these two are outputs. So for this, so the 8 is connected to anode and this is grounded. Similarly, this is grounded. This is directly connected to pin number 9. Okay, these are my outputs. Then I connected LDR because it is input. So here, so input I have given to this. Okay, so this portion you see it is connected to A1, A0. Okay, sorry, A5, sorry, A5, A5. So LDR I have connected to A5 since it is input. Okay, so this value we have to read the LDR value into this. So for that I declared a variable LDR value. Okay, that I am reading from analog read LDR A5, that is from this photoresistor, and that I am storing in this variable. Okay, and this pin number 11. Okay, this 11 is this PR sensor. Okay, I am reading from this, so I made it as input. Okay, and motor I have connected to 10, that's why I made pin number this. Okay, so first what I did, these are inbuilt LED, this one. This it will become on. Okay, first for I on, then low. So first we'll see if LDR value is greater than 51, that means this if it is greater than means light is there. Okay, sunlight is present, so sunlight is present, we should not switch on the LED. So I made 8 and 9 low, that means this will become off and this will become off, buzzer will not on. Similarly motor also, we don't want to switch on the motor if LDR value is greater than 50. That means if light is present. Okay. Else, that means if not light is not there. That means light is there. Then you switch on the street light like LED. This you can and switch on the buzzer. That it is indicating. Similarly, I switched on the motor. If you want to switch on any what you say gate or motor you want to make or water you want to pump, then we made high. Okay, motor will made it on. Okay, when it is greater than 50, that means when it becomes dark, night time. Similarly, what I did, I reading digital level, this PIR, that if PR is 1, that means any person has entered this area, I'm just switching on this LED. Okay, if you want buzzer also to become on, if anyone you can keep, that means bell. Okay, doorbell, you can make this also on. Okay, let's see the demo. So just start. So initial. So see this. So since it is dark, that means PIR is dark. So this 2 will become on because it is dark. This and this, it will take some time. Okay, after some time because there is some delay. This also will become on. See here, this. After 1 second, it will become off. This 2 will become on because this is running slow simulator. It is taking time.